Hello guys, today we are going to solve Leetcode problem number 15, which is threesome. Given an integer array nums, return all the triplets such that I not equals to j, I not equals to k, and j not equals to k. And nums of I plus nums of j plus nums of k is equals to 0. Notice that the solution set must not contain duplicate triplets. So we need to return all the triplets, all the unique triplets, and we need to use the optimal approach. So optimal approach can be order of n square. In example 1, the array is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 4, and output is minus 1, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 1, because these uh, adds up to the 0. Minus 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 0, right? Minus 1 mi- plus 2 minus 1 is also 0. So the distinct triplets are minus 1 0 1 and minus 1 minus 1 2. Notice that the order of the output and the order of the triplets does not matter. In example 2, we have input 0 1 1 and output is empty array. The only possible triplet that does not sum up to 0 is this one. In example 3, we have input arrays 0, 0, 0, and output is also 0, 0, 0. So the only possible triplet sums up to 0 is that one only. I hope you understand the problem. Let's write the code. So first we are going to sort this array. Let's capture the length of this array nums, and let's have a result list which will contain the triplets. Now let's have a loop. And okay, this is our loop, and see if I greater than 0 and nums of I should not be equals to nums of I minus 1, because we need unique elements, right? So if it is equal, then we just continue. Then let's create j and k. J is equals to y plus 1, k is equals to n minus 1. While j is less than k, we will see if nums of I plus nums of j plus nums of k is less than 0. It means that we need to increment j so that it can be incremented, so that we can get a bigger number. Else if it is greater than 0, then we basically need to decrement k so that we can uh, decrease the sum. Otherwise, if it is equals to 0, then we will append this triplet. We found the triplet and we will append this triplet in the result array. Nums of k, right? Now, when we found the triplet, we just increment j by 1. Again, we will check, we need to find the unique triplet, so we can check while j is less than k and nums of j is equals to nums of j minus 1. We will keep on incrementing j till uh, we found unique elements, right? So we can return, we found the result and the tablets. So let's run the code. It is accepted. Let's submit the code. Okay, the solution is accepted, and the approach of the solution, the algorithm takes order of n square because we are using two loops, right? So in the worst case, the time complexity is order of n square. I hope you understand the solution. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.